Hey guys, Shawn webpianoteacher.com here. Well, we're talking about hired requests. A hired request is where a member of the website commissions me to do a lesson series on a particular song. Maybe they've got a wedding to play for, or they have a girl they want to impress. That happens sometimes. Or you have a gig to play for, you need a new song for your band, or you just want to learn the song for yourself. And what that's done is it's built an incredible, unique library on the website that is unlike any on the planet, because you guys know what the good stuff is, and just because a song's not a hit song doesn't mean there isn't a lot of people that want to play that song. And so I have a lot of stuff on the website that you can't find anywhere else. So there are three modalities in which you can do a hired request, and they vary in price, and I'm going to go through all three of those. Okay, so the first way is the whiteboard method, which you all are probably used to, where I have the letters on the whiteboard. Been doing that for 20 years online, and that's where you give me a track to a song, and then I listen to it, and I usually listen to each second of the track for 4 or 5 times to make sure I have every note as perfect and exact as I can get it. Now, this way is the most expensive because of what I just said there. So if you send me a 10-minute Elton John solo, that's going to be well over $1,000 because I'm going to end up spending 20 or 30 hours most of that time just listening and trying to transcribe there. So after I finish your sheets, I will send you high-resolution PDF file of those sheets, and then I'll upload the lessons to the website, 4K video now. And that's the first modality, is the whiteboard method. Most expensive, but most exact, and what a lot of you like. So the second modality is the chord sheet way. So the chord sheet, some people call them lead sheets, where you have just the lyrics of the song and then a chord symbol above the appropriate symbol, B flat here, E flat there. Now in these chord sheet lessons, I will still show you the chord. I'll show you what inversion to play, and I'll show you what rhythm to put with it. And it won't be as exact as the whiteboard method, but it'll be very close. And a lot of you people who gig are already used to using chord sheets. So this is a great way to do a cheap hire request, because it's only about $50, because it takes me less than an hour many times to do one of those. So that's the chord sheet modality. And then the third modality is traditional sheet music notation. So if you have sheets of something you want me to teach, it can be a classical piece, it can be whatever, and you send me those sheets. I usually charge about $20 per page, okay, on those, and you'll submit the sheets to me. I'll use those sheets, and even if you can't read music that well, I'm still going to show you what the notes are. I'm still going to show you what rhythms to do and teach a lot of other things that I do in the lessons while I'm doing that traditional sheet music notation way. Now, if you want me to transcribe those sheets into the whiteboard method, I can also do that. And it'll still not be as expensive as the whiteboard modality, because I'm not having to listen to everything. I can just use your sheets to transfer it over. It'll still be more expensive than if I just get to use the sheets, but it's generally $20 per page on using traditional sheet music notation. So those are the three modalities. And to submit a hired request, you just fill out that form, and then I'll get back to you personally, and we can go through prices and how long it'll take to get it to you. Sometimes the wait time is a couple of days, sometimes, a week, depending on the current hired request load. So let me know what you want. I'm happy to get started on these. Talk to you soon.